Guys, this is my 96 Honda Civic LX 4-door with only 38,000 original miles. This thing is really clean. It's all original paint. As you can see, the roof is faded, but the rest of the car is a gem. Super clean. Time capsule. Even has the original, the weather cracked but Michelin tires on it. The car is salvage title from theft. I've tried to buy this car for almost 4 years before I finally got the deal done. I bought it directly from the insurance company. So it does have a salvage title from theft. No accidents. Runs well, drives well. Original glass. Past smog. Super clean Civic. Automatic. Ice cold air conditioning. Finding this car with 38K is unheard of. The original Michelins say it all. This is the original tires this car came off the lot with. It's a time capsule. Here we got the original radiator. Super clean, not even rust on the heat shield. Runs well. I need to clean this still. But yeah, see the paint's starting to go slightly on the hood. You can see the hood's slightly faded, but one dent, you see it right there, that side. Someone stole the Civic emblem, thanks. There's a little dent right there, but other than that, super nice little car. A little bit of, the car could use a wax buff, you know, all the original glass, but those are what makes it worth it. AC's cold. Price on this is going to be $5,500. If you're interested, like and subscribe if you want to see what cars I get. I get cars weekly. Thanks, guys.